is a place to go for aches and pains. And Dr. Diana Herr is joining us now from the Ladson office and much more. You know, we really didn't hear, or a lot of people, I should say, didn't hear that much about cupping until some of the Olympic swimmers like Michael Phelps came out, and he does this quite often. What exactly is cupping?
So cupping is a little bit like massage therapy, but massage therapy you're doing more of a pushing motion, so you have a positive pressure. Cupping actually uses a negative pressure or a suction.
Okay.
So the cups that we use create a suction. And what that does, if you look at the musculoskeletal system, I think there's a picture of it right there too as to what the cups look like. You have your muscle, you have your fascia, and then you have another layer, which is your skin. And when the muscles are not moving properly, that fascia gets stuck onto the muscle. So the muscle can't glide properly. So what that suction cup does is it pulls the skin and the fascia away from the muscle and allows that muscle to glide. So your muscles are working a little bit more properly.
Does this help out with blood flow as well?
It does. It also increases blood flow. It actually does have a very calming effect on the whole body as well. And there's also benefits towards your lymphatic system, so it actually increases your immune system too.
Okay, you guys, of course, a lot of folks know that Corey Chiropractic has got the downtown office, the Ladson office, and I think he's got the one in Mount Pleasant as well. Been doing chiropractic work for a lot, and I've been a patient. I've been a patient for a number of years. Really, my back got kind of out of whack a few years ago. It's so much better now, not only with the massage therapy, but then going in and getting the back adjustment. But you guys do also acupuncture.
Yes,
tell me about that.
We do acupuncture too. Acupuncture is part of traditional Chinese medicine. It's been around for a long, long time. What it does is you're just stimulating points on meridian systems that run through your body, and that helps your body stay in balance and creates an optimal healing environment for your body. And I use acupuncture a lot with chiropractic adjustments, actually. Acupuncture creates a very calming effect on the body.
Sure.
So when you calm the
Relaxes
muscles,
the muscles.
exactly, you get a better adjustment.
Okay.
Also, again, like cupping, it stimulates blood flow. They're actually doing a lot of research on acupuncture now, and they're finding that it also stimulates endorphin production and endorphin release. So you get a good sense of well-being right after treatment.
And a lot of people think, well, I don't want needles stuck in there, but it's really a painless situation.
You really don't feel it.
What exactly does that very, very thin needle do once it goes down into, is it going down into a muscle area?
You can actually, there's different layers. So depending on what's going on, I mainly do acupuncture for musculoskeletal complaints. So I am going down into that muscle layer. However, spots, on thinner skinned areas like your hands and your face, you're really going into that dermis, maybe a little bit into the muscle area. So it really just depends on what body part that you're needling, and also what you're trying to accomplish with the treatment. And if people don't like needles, we also do acupressure as well. So we're stimulating those acupuncture points without using needles. So that's another option.
You're up in the Ladson or the Somerville location?
I am.
All the time?
Yes.
Where's that exact location?
That's on 3495 Iron Horse Road. We're actually located within a primary care clinic, which again is kind of the best of both worlds for our patients. So they can come see us for all their alternative health, and then if they need an antibiotic or another medication, muscle relaxers or anything else, they can go see our primary care physicians that we work alongside of.
And 20, 30 years ago, people thought that, you don't want to go to a chiropractor because they're just messing with. Now, so many millions and millions of people are understanding the health reasons for going to chiropractic care to have that adjustment, because a lot of times they'll have a back pain or leg pain and they'll take a pill, but they're putting a Band-Aid on it. They're just masking it, and you got to go to the source, and that's where you and Dr. Curry come in place